Hello and welcome to Mountain Aromatics. I said in my last video that I was going to do an unmolding. You're like, what? What? This is cold processed soap making? No, but I used my Tonka tobacco oud to make a soap. So that is one of the things that you can do with the fragrances that you're making. You don't have to just make perfume. You can make it into fragrance oil and use it to make. So fragrance oils are for cold processed soap, melt and pour soap, your bath bombs, that type of stuff. And also for reed stick diffusers, like room diffusers, that type of thing. So anyway, that's why I have my gloves on, is because the saponification continues for more weeks, and this is 24 hours. So here we go. And I've never done this on video ever. It's my first time. So this is my little soap mold, and isn't it gorgeous? Oh my god. This is a Tonka tobacco oud. I'm gonna try not to cry. This is just my second time to ever make soap in my entire life, and I have no idea what it's gonna look like on the inside. I mean, I have an idea. I took this same color. It's called Sexy Man on a Train, and I'm not even gonna say the company because it's one of two companies and I don't remember which one. But anyway, so, and then I did black on the inside with that swirled. So anyway, I have no idea. I have no idea, but I just wanted to do this on video so you can know that you can make this type of stuff yourself. Again, I have no idea how this is going to be. So I'm just pulling it away from the sides here, and then I'm going to be trying to popping it out. So that is mica on the top, and when you use mica, it will wash off. So it doesn't, your skin is not gonna become this color and stay on there and that kind of stuff. It doesn't work with that. And this is gonna be one of those things where it's coming out, but I don't want to put my fingers on the top of it and mess that part up. I want to get my fingers on the side of it. So, okay, I think we are almost there. Here we go. Oh, that's right, I did blue. I thought I did black. I did blue. So this is what it looks like with this blue. Holy Moses. It's really, really pretty. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut it. I've already made my marks on here, and obviously just going to go straight down. I turn it on its side, that way none of the mica will drag through. And when you get your knife, just turn it like that. And shut up. Are you kidding me? That is exactly what I hoped it would be. It is beautiful. Oh my God. Tonka really comes through, but the tobacco oud, holy jeez. This is, oh, love. I love this. Wow, that is just beautiful. Okay, got one more. Oh, Katie Carson says on her videos, oh my God, it's just so satisfying. And I agree. Like even this, the cutting and then the pulling away of the knife like that, look at that. I'm sorry, I love it. This is my second soap ever. I am in love. Oh my God. That is beautiful. Holy jeez. Last one. I might as well just cut them all right now. And the cool thing about this, I mean, there's multiple cool things about this, but what I love is that this is my fragrance that I created. Oh my God. Shut up. Just shut the door. What? And I love the texture on the top. I mean, that is just beautiful. Holy jeez. I just wanted you guys to be a part of that. I wanted to film it because I had no idea what to expect. I had no idea. In fact, I forgot I did blue. So, yeah, totally happy with that. So, you know, usually I'm always here teaching you stuff, which I taught you, probably a number of you, some new stuff. So the thing I want to tell you is that typically, so I'm not talking perfume here or fragrance, like spray fragrance right now. So I took my sweet pineapple accord and I made it a fragrance oil, and it is so strong. It is very, very strong, even though it's a fragrance oil. Crazy strong, crazy strong. In fact, I took my fragrance oil and I diluted it down to a, oh my God, I have it right here, a 20%, and 5 days later, it was still on the test strip. This is like 2 weeks ago, and I still smell it. That's crazy. What? Oh my God. So anyway, the two things that are typically used, and again, I'm not talking about perfume, fragrance oils that are for soap making, bath bombs, room fragrancing, that kind of stuff, whatever, is going to be benzyl benzoate and IPM. Sometimes both are used, sometimes just IPM, but mostly benzyl benzoate is used as, I mean, I hate to say the word carrier, but kind of like a carrier oil. It definitely gives it fixative properties, and what blends with candles, what blends help those other molecules blend with your soap, that kind of stuff. So this, I already like packaged this, but this is my pineapple, and it is a melt and pour soap. Yes, it's melt and pour, but it's so cool looking. I took a photo, I'll put it up right now so you can see a close-up of it, but I just put a little green at the bottom because there's a little bit of green in the pineapple, and then the rest is a sparkly pineapple. Yeah, so that was my pineapple with my sweet pineapple accord that I made into a fragrance oil. So this just shows you there are multiple things you can do with the fragrances that you make yourself and that I'm teaching you to make. So, oh my God, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, because oh my lands, are you kidding me? What? That is just crazy. It is so beautiful. And it's my fragrance that I made. What? Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, please give me a thumbs up. And a shout out to two people. A shout out to Roxana Cooper and shout out to Katie Carson. Katie Carson is the person that I watch most, and she is Royalty Soaps, and she's out of Terrell, Texas. Not too far from me, kind of far, but not really. But anyway, watched, and her type of stuff is very inspiring to me. And yeah, so part of that inspiration came from watching Royalty Soaps and Katie Carson. So a shout out to you and to Roxana Cooper. Thank you so much for being here. If you like this, give me a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. And if you know, when you click like, if you really did like it, click like, because it helps other people find me. And that's my whole point, is that I want people to find me and find this information to learn with. So thank you so much. I appreciate you being with me. I will see you on the next Mountain Aromatics. Have a good day.